welcome to my channel. I'm Simply Napri. Today I'm back with my husband.
Where y'all?
So today, y'all, we're having some fried chicken wings from Baba's. We did some lemon pepper wings. And today we're going to try 4 new spicy sauces. So I've been super excited to try these sauces. I ordered these off of Amazon and I couldn't wait for them to come in. I had it all planned out, y'all. But anyways, we have the tiger sauce, the original. So this is the one that Prissy P and T and Lee TV, they had the tiger sauce week, and I just had to get it after that. Like, it just looks so good. So we're trying the tiger sauce. Then this is the red hot stinging honey garlic. Red hot stinging honey garlic. Then I have some
2-time spicy.
2-time spicy, y'all. So I've been saying I wanted to try that on the chicken wings. I tried it. We tried the 2-time spicy noodles. I had the noodles. He tried to bite and he couldn't hang. I couldn't deal with them noodles either. So anyways, that's the sauce that comes in those noodles. And a lot of people have been trying on everything else, so I'm just going to try it. Like, I'm so scared. But anyways.
Then we also got some Mike's Hot Honey infused with chilies right here on the corner.
So I've seen people eat the Mike's Hot Honey before too. So all spicy sauces.
Good. That sounds like it's mine.
Yeah. So yeah, I haven't tried not any one of these. Like I said, I tried the 2-time spicy noodles, but not the sauce by itself. So yeah, I haven't tried any of these before. So
me either, and I'm hungry.
So let's go ahead and get to the food because we super hungry.
Thank you, Lord. She's like a long-winded pastor. Like, you got her 8-minute prayer. Like, okay, pastor, I'm ready to eat.
Shut up. But anyways, I'm going to try the 2-time spicy last, y'all, because I want to be able to fully taste everything. And I just feel like that is going to, like, set my taste buds on fire. So, I'm doing that last.
Fire. This is Mike's Honey.
Alright, well, let's try the same one together. I'm going to try that with you the first time.
Man, why you got to copycat?
Yeah, no, I just want to try the same thing so they can, you know, get both of our reactions off of everything. Then next, I want to try the tiger sauce.
Why you want to try the tiger sauce?
That's the one, that's the best, that's the one I'm most interested in at the moment.
Let me crack my Cold Red.
And I have watermelon sun-kissed to drink.
Cold Red.
It's good. I like watermelon. Okay, so this is the Mike's Hot Honey that we're going to try first. My daughter said it was super good. So we'll see.
Try that, see what this heading for. See what it's heading like. Take a sale looking like.
Good. There's honey with a kick. You know what? Hold on one second. I'm going to get some hot sauce. I think that'd be good with some hot sauce and honey. Hold on one second. Alright, so I went and got some hot sauce too, because that's what I want to eat. I like honey and hot sauce mixed together. Oh, and I got the traditional mild sauce too that comes with the lemon pepper wings. I love this sauce too. So anyways, I'm going to put some, that honey is really good. It just tastes like honey with a little kick.
Definitely got some kick to it.
I'm going to try mine with the hot sauce and the Mike's Hot Honey.
Let's see that.
That's how
you know who else chicken good like that? Lee's.
Oh yeah.
With the hot sauce and honey. Put that on their biscuits and their chicken.
Right.
Fire. Fire.
That's how you do it.
Let me try this. See if it's gas as you're making it. Yeah, that's cool.
Whew.
I rocks with it. That hot sauce give it they take it up another notch, you know. So it already got a little kick to it.
Right.
Let's try that. Tiger sauce.
Alright, yes. Let's try the tiger sauce. I'm gonna go back and revisit some of these, you know, as I go. So we're gonna try everything first. Right there. Alright. Tiger sauce.
Hold on.
I'm gonna pour mine over my chicken.
Wow.
Because that's what I want to do. So the tiger sauce came with 6 of these in a box. So I don't know if it's just the one I ordered. Probably so. But it came with 6 of these little bottles like this. This is the 5-ounce bottles.
Yeah. I ain't doing that because I ain't gonna have it dripping all over.
Well, do it how you want to do it, honey.
tiger sauce. I don't even know what this is.
It's like they described it as like a like a sweet hot sauce. So let's see. I'm excited about this one because. Okay. Anyway, first bite. I like it.
That's actually pretty good. That's actually really good.
It's tangy, sweet, spicy. It's like a hot sauce with, I don't know, with some sweetness.
No,
but it's different. It's completely different.
It's not like no hot sauce.
It's not like a taste I've ever had before.
It's definitely different. Not fire though. Not fire. That right there, fire.
I can't wait to try it on some other stuff too.
Oh, the other one.
Alright, let me eat this other piece of this one. My mouth already a little spicy, so you already know if I'm doing that off of these sauces. Imagine that 2 times spicy.
Why you even bring that back up?
This sauce is good.
I should have got a towel.
This spider. This tiger sauce is bomb.
Yeah, what tiger you know love a spider? Oh, really? Go ahead and tell us. Go ahead and tell the audience. Tell them at home what you meant. Go ahead. Take it out.
You know, I meant to say.
What you meant and what you said was 2 totally different things.
That is true.
So which one is it? Oh, man.
Alright. Time to try. That was bomb. I will be revisiting these. Alright, this is the stinging honey garlic.
Oh.
Red hot.
Woo.
Stinging honey garlic.
Woo. That smell already. Look, take one for that. Woo. You can smell that garlic in there, boy.
I love garlic though.
I ain't a big fan of garlic.
Plate. I just rather just pour
See, that's the reason why. Not too much garlic.
Drizzle.
Look, drip, drip, drip. Follow the drip.
And
follow the
it's
drip.
Get sopped right up off my plate. So
Yeah, with 12 different other sauces.
Don't worry about it.
You ain't gonna know which one is which.
Alright, that's the stinging honey garlic. Excuse me.
Okay. It tastes better than the smell.
Yeah.
The smell is horrific. I'm gonna put that out there.
Like my daughter said, it reminds her of like an Asian type of sauce. Kind of.
It is like an Asian thing.
Something like that too.
No, it ain't Asian thing though either.
No,
I had Asian thing. It's like a spicy duck sauce. Nah. You know what? It kind of got that sesame seed taste.
Really? That's why I think it's kind of remind me of like
chicken.
some type of a little bit of Asian. Not all the way. I don't know.
Nonetheless, it's bomb. It definitely tastes way better than the smell. The smell you might not even want to eat it. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I like that. That sounds like it'll be good on a stir fry.
You know who the master of the stir fry is.
Yeah, he been making some real good stir fries lately. He just made the one the other day with chicken, shrimp, and broccoli and rice. Alright, I'm about to go ahead and try this 2 times spicy.
Oh, I forgot that's the one we ain't tried.
I told him just try a drop. I don't know if he's gonna be able to handle this one. I cannot believe I'm doing this. When I knew darn well I can't handle
Wait
this.
a minute, man.
When we tried the noodles.
Wait a minute, man.
Shake well. This is the red bottle, the spiciest one, of course. Can't try it. Gotta have the right one. Gotta have the right one.
Boy, you could have left this out the challenge.
No, I told you. I've been saying it. I gotta try the 2 times spicy on some wings. I just have to. It's a must. It is a must.
This is about to be torture.
Woo! I'm so scared, y'all.
Oh, I'm definitely dipping this one.
You dipping it?
Oh, I'm definitely dipping it. You want me
Okay,
drizzling? Yeah, go ahead, drizzle like you just did over that one. Go ahead, go ahead.
I ain't drizzling.
Go ahead. I want to see you drizzle this one. Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. So
go ahead, Miss Drizzle Queen.
Pop out. Pop top.
Oh man, that's too much. That's too much. Look how big that hole is at the top. You know that. Let me see.
I didn't even pour
let me get that.
I didn't even pour a drip.
Let me get that.
I'm going slowly.
No, what are you doing? First of all, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go
I
to
think that a thing.
No, right there. Your aim is
That's
off.
where I'm trying to go. There. That's just a drip.
Man, that was like blood.
I know. That's what I said. Look, and I'm gonna do like I've been doing. I'm not gonna do a lot though, cause I'm scared of this one. Oh my God, y'all.
Somebody get the fire department on deck.
Why and
that's a lot. That's a lot.
Am I doing this? Oh my gosh. Alright, 2 times spicy, y'all. I feel like I'm not gonna taste nothing after this. Alright, ready? Set. I'm not gonna get on my lips though. Go. That bite wasn't that bad. That bite was not that bad to me. It wasn't. And this is hot chicken flavor sauce. It is spicy though. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh,
but I did not get it on my lips. And I feel like when you get it on your lips, that's the worst part of this sauce when you get it on your lips. So, oh, it is hot though, but.
Shit.
Woo!
I mean, oops.
Get that bite. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, it's bad, man. Oh man.
I think the noodles is way worse. Maybe because there's so much stopped on the noodles. That's not bad. Not too bad, I should say. I ain't gonna say it ain't bad. But it's definitely the hottest of all of them.
Pour me another drop on there.
Of the 2 times spicy?
2 times spicy.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, big dog today. Call him Big Cowboy.
You know how he is with the spice. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my other half. It do got a kick to it though. It's definitely spicy. It's more than a kick. Way more than a kick.
There go that wind sucking.
Whew. Definitely more than a kick. I gotta not get it on my lips. I have to eat wisely with this.
Alright, there it is. That's the one that did it. Oh, that's the one that did it. Oh, Lord, that's the one that did it. Woo!
It's so hot. Woo! But it got so much flavor though. It's good. The flavor of it is really
good. That's the one that did it. Oh, my tongue. My tongue could fall off. Oh, no.
Like, I planned to have like a milkshake or something on the side when I did this. Or some ranch.
Yeah. My nose sweat.
Ooh.
My nose sweat. Ooh. My nose sweat.
Oh my God.
Man, let me tell you here.
That's 2 times spicy ain't no joke.
Let me tell you here. Oh, Lord.
Woo! Alright. I might go back to that later, but I ain't finna do too much of that because I ain't gonna be able to taste nothing else. I'm going back in with this tiger sauce.
Man, that 2 times spicy is serious.
Woo!
That's why you should have did like me.
Oh my God, y'all, it's so hot.
I'm still on fire.
Excuse me. I ain't gonna be able to function. I'm gonna eat another one with this tiger sauce. Oh my God. Why did I do that?
That got some kick to it, boy. They got
It's
some heat
good though. It tastes so good though. It really does. It got a good flavor. It's just so hot.
Let you pay for it. Get my belly warming up.
Then after you take the 2 times spicy, it makes the tiger sauce spicier. Oh my God.
Shit, that's funny.
You good over there?
My stomach warming up. Ooh. I didn't when you digest that. You got 2 times spicy and everything. Take it up another level. Yeah, they got me in trouble.
We both over here sucking air. But you can't try spicy sauces without throwing the 2 times spicy in the mix. You gotta do that. You just have to. Woo!
My belly don't hurt more from that 2 times spicy. My stomach hurt.
I think my favorite taste wise is the tiger sauce. What's your favorite? What's your favorite?
Water.
Alright, I'm about to give me another one with some honey.
No, get the 2 times spicy.
I'm gonna eat one more with the 2 times spicy.
Look, I'm gonna go right there right now. Right.
You about to dip it in there? Alright, I'm gonna do hot sauce and honey. Hot sauce and honey.
I got it on my lip.
Mike's hot honey. I did not get none on my lip. And I'm telling y'all,
I got it on my lip.
that's the worst part when you get on your lip. So
oh, the Molly donut shop. Oh.
If you ever try this 2 times spicy sauce, do not get it
Don't get it on your lip.
Whatever you do.
Oh, no. Yep, that's it. That's it. Ooh, doggy.
Ooh, that's 2 times spicy. My mouth on fire.
Put the lid back on that mug.
I told you I'm gonna eat one more with it. I don't care how my mouth is. I'm eating another chicken wing with that.
What's that?
Hot honey and hot sauce. Ooh. Alright, anyways.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that, y'all. Sorry about that, America.
Why do you always say America?
Sorry about that, the world. Hello, TV world.
Maybe people from everywhere.
I changed it. My fault. I said world. Shout out to all the different countries checking in. Oh yeah, we see you, baby.
I was so excited about these sauces, y'all. Y'all just don't know. I literally sat and ordered these sauces on Amazon, and I've been waiting for them to come. I've really been waiting on that tiger sauce.
And while she was waiting on that, I was waiting for my baby shoes to come. They came today. Do 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 do. Them crispy Ivos, them Iversons. All red joints with the powder leather chip. And looking playoff ready.
I'm gonna eat one with my mild sauce. What? This is just the barbecue sauce that comes with the wings there. I think a lot of
what's that over there? Oh.
You're not gonna get me with that.
Yeah, that sauce off today.
No, it's not. This is probably your taste buds compared to it. Tastes the same.
No, that sauce off today. They're missing something.
No, it's not.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, I feel with that one today.
It's just probably your taste buds.
Man, why you always trying to defend something? Man, why can't I just... Man,
it's probably just your taste buds after eating.
Man, how you gonna tell me how you gonna tell me it's my taste buds? Well, my taste buds are down.
Trying spicy burnt your taste buds.
What, you Alan Lennox agent now? You just... Oh, yeah, your taste buds. Calculated pie. The saliva in the mouth.
I eat this mild sauce every time I get wings, lemon pepper wings, and it tastes the same as
the sauce is
every
off.
Single time.
The sauce is off. They wasn't whipping in the kitchen.
He don't even be eating this sauce.
They wasn't whipping in the kitchen this go round. If I would have said that was good, she would have said it was nasty. She just like to disagree with me, y'all.
Let him tell it.
All the time.
Let him tell it.
All the time. It could be which way to tie your shoes. How you supposed to open the door. Which way you supposed to turn in the car. What else?
I told y'all he'd be exaggerating.
Darts. Checkers.
Didn't I tell y'all he'd be exaggerating?
Goldfish.
I tell you. That make no sense. That's why his daughter dramatic. She's so dramatic. This dude is dramatic.
She get it from her mama.
Never.
She get it from her mama. Don't let her fool y'all. Don't let her.
Tiger sauce. It's like got a tanginess to it. What are you doing? It's already still chicken in here.
Y'all know I do this one time every video.
It don't make no sense. I can never have nothing like.
That's my signature. Let me be great. That's my signature.
Eat my food. It's still plenty of food left.
Hey, y'all, tell her let me be great. That's my signature.
Tell him to get up on my plate. Okay, I would appreciate if y'all tell him to get up off that lady plate.
Let me be great. Shout out my little cuz Irv. Let me be great clothing line. Entrepreneurs. Support. Excuse me.
You don't even know what you're dipping in.
That's tiger sauce.
Sting of honey garlic on the plate.
No, that's tiger sauce.
No, it wasn't.
How you gonna tell me?
I know what's on my plate.
Tiger sauce. So everybody, we got the weirdest kids in the land. We got one kid that's just staring at us in the camera like this.
They like to watch us when we're doing it.
Then we got another kid.
38.
Then we got another kid that always wants to be on the phone. Swipe up, swipe left, swipe right. TikTok this, TikTok that.
I bet you can guess which one that is.
Post on the gram here, Snapchat here.
The teenager.
Ever since I was a teenager. Well, preteen, she'll be a teenager in a couple months. And she's still my little 12. She's still my 12-year-old until then.
She just want to be a teenager so bad. So bad. So I got nothing but have an attitude. Work my nerves.
I have an attitude I'm going to have to work on up out of her. Oh, excuse me.
Tiger sauce.
All them sauces got me bubbling like a chemistry lab. My stomach is bubbling, man. Them sauces got me stomach going all type of numbers. Yeah, one is spicy.
My mouth finally cooled down from that 2 times spicy, but I think I'm finna eat a little bit more of it. Ain't that crazy?
I'm gonna pour for it.
No. Because you're gonna pour me too much.
No, I'm not.
It's a tiger sauce.
Let me give you a good bite. You pour mine, I'm gonna do yours. Man, you pour. No.
Because I can pour you a lot.
No, that's not how. Hold the wing out.
No, I didn't pour on your wing.
I'm not, man. Come on, Cleophas.
Okay. Don't be trying to.
Man, come on, man. I ain't gonna do you like that.
You better not.
Come on,
do not go overboard. And remember, it's thin, so it's gonna pour fast.
I know.
Oh, okay, that ain't bad. You can put a little bit more.
Hey, I'm scared so.
I gotta make sure. Okay.
Ooh, hold on. Let me get
that's enough.
I get none on the backside.
Let me get
a drop on the backside right there.
Yeah,
there you go. You the champion mukbanger, man.
Do to me here?
You gotta really do the challenge, man. If you gonna do it.
What is he trying to do to me, y'all? He always trying to cheer somebody on, but no, darn well he wouldn't do it.
Go.
But it's good though.
Oh, you got that on your lips. I seen it. You got that on your lips. I seen it. You got that on your lips.
Hear that on camera. We're not even gonna say what happened on the other side of that camera over there.
You said one more.
I didn't say I was gonna eat it with that.
No, you said one more, man. Come on.
I did not say with the 2
one
times
more,
spicy.
man. You might as well do it.
That is not what I said.
Come on, man. One more.
Right.
One more, bro. There you go. You got it. You got it.
Don't do too much.
You got it.
I'm gonna put some tiger sauce on it too.
You your mama daughter.
My mama gonna eat this hot stuff.
I was just saying you your mama daughter.
Alright, let me do it this 2 times spicy.
Exactly. That's why I was just saying it.
Okay.
Ooh la la la. See now you combine those sauces. You really finna, man, you finna make a combustion in your stomach. It's gonna be like fireworks. Go ahead, bite into it.
I'm about to.
Yeah, that part right there.
Yeah, with all the sauce on.
I can't eat
2 times spicy and tiger sauce. I'm good to go. Shut up.
Like you was curious. I'm like, it's not bad at all.
No.
Uh-oh.
Put it back in. Dope, though.
That's that 10 when that 2 times spicy hit you. Oh, you getting it on your lip. You got it on your lip that time. I seen it.
My lips don't burn this time. It's harder to not get on your lips when you eat the noodles. Woo.
Yeah, the noodles one is way different.
I think the noodles is way hotter than the sauce by itself.
Facts.
Now, maybe because the noodles are soaked in it.
I was just about to say because the noodles are sitting in that sauce.
Now, if I did 2 times spicy wings where I like actually dip the wings in the 2 times spicy sauce, like hot wings, then it'd probably be crazy.
I would have been able to eat 2 wings.
Fire,
I would have ate 2 wings and would have been over with.
Oh my goodness. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna eat this last piece with some tiger sauce. Tiger sauce is my favorite one.
Y'all see, I checked out. 2 times spicy warmed my stomach up. It's rap. I learned last time. It was rap.
Excuse me. This ain't 2 times spicy though. It's still gonna be spicy though because my mouth's still hot.
I couldn't even eat no more. So what you think?
I like it. I like everything.
The tiger sauce is number 1. I'd
I
say.
like the tiger sauce the best.
Number 2 would be. I'll take the.
You like the stinking honey garlic?
Yep, and then the
my
third.
Second,
what?
My second was the
2 times spicy.
Yeah, I think the 2 times spicy is my second favorite. I like the tiger sauce.
It got good flavor. It's just I couldn't consistently sit there and eat that. It just do something to you.
I can eat more.
It take
now, if I had
it take the sales up out of you. I'll tell you that.
If I had some ranch on the side, I could eat more.
But we didn't have no ranch or no milkshakes or none of that.
But I still ate what, like 3 wings with it. So
I ate 2. I ate 2.5, and that was enough.
And then what's your third?
My third would be that one.
Which one?
Oh well, my third. My third would be 2 times spicy. No.
Excuse me.
I have to say the hot sauce and the Mike's hot honey.
I think that's my third. The hot sauce, I like the Mike's hot honey, but like I said, it is just like a honey flavor. It's just got some spice to it.
Spice to it.
But you don't really taste like a flavor of the spice, just like the heat. So if you like hot sauce and honey, put hot sauce with it.
Number 4 coming in last.
And then my last is the stinging honey garlic, but it was good too. Everything was good. All these.
What?
Sauces. Yeah, I really like this because I like the tiger sauce first.
I don't know why you like this red buster right here in this bottle.
It's good flavor. It is super hot. Can't see it. Hopefully you can see these. My light is kind of bright, but red hot stinging honey garlic. It's crooked.
Tiger
sauce.
Tiger.
Mike's hot honey.
Mike's honey. Hot honey with chilies. And 2 times spicy.
Sam Yang, 2 times spicy.
2 times.
But anyways, you can order all these sauces on Amazon. Oh, I got my hair in my hair in the chicken wings. But anyways, you can order all these all these sauces on Amazon. Yeah, and I might try some other sauces too. I'm gonna have to look through these YouTube streets and see what other kind of sauces that they are out there.
What sauces?
I know it's all kind of other sauces that I have not tasted before, but you will see some of these sauces coming back in some future videos. So let's go ahead and wrap this thing on up.
Let's go.
But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you watch this video to the end. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we will see you next time.
Peace.